Girls, here's another math session. This will be about percents, solving percent problems. First example we have here, find the part. We're finding the part for numbers 1 and 2. So this is our whole, this is our whole. So our whole will be, again, our denominator. So let's continue to use ratio tables. I'm going to set this up, 25 over 100, because the percents are out of 100. Keep my ratio table going. We need to get to 40. That's why I left this blank here, because I know I can't go divide anything by 100 to get to 40. But I can divide 100 by 5. And again, whatever I do to the top, I do to the bottom. So I'm still dealing with equivalent fractions here. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. 100 divided by 5 is 20. Now, within this ratio table, you can see I can get from 20 to 40 by timesing it by 2. Whatever you do to again to the bottom, you do to the top. So now 5 times 2 is 10. So 10 is 25% of 40. Again, using a ratio table. All right, second problem. We're going to follow the same process. Put 60 over 100. Continue with the ratio table. I put this gap here because I can't get from 100 to 50. I can't, but I can simplify 100 by something that will again give me a denominator that is compatible with 150. So I'm thinking 50. So 100 divided by 2. Do the same to the top, divided by 2. 100 divided by 2 is 50. 60 divided by 2 is 30. Now, you can see I can go from 50 to 150. And again, whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. We're going to, 50 times what is 150? 50 times 3. Again, do the same operation with equivalent fractions here. So 30 times 3 is 90. So your final answer is 90 is 60% of 150. So again, we're finding the part. We're given the whole. We have to find the part. Both problems. Now here's the opposite. It states to find the whole on number 3. So our denominator, again, is what's going to need to be found. When you're finding the part, it's your numerator that has to be found. So let's go ahead and set this up following the same process. 75% over 100. Now we have to write this as our numerator. We have to get to 48. So how can you get from 75 to 48? Well, again, find a number that is compatible. If you simplify 75 hundredths, that will again go into 48. Well, nothing divided by 75 was going to give you equally 48. Therefore, we have this gap here. Well, I can divide this by 25. Divide this by 25. 100 divided by 25 is 4. 75 divided by 25 is 3. Now you can see I can go from 3 to 48. Then again, apply the same method here. 3 to 48 is times 16. Again, same thing to the bottom, times 16. 16 times 4 is going to give us an outcome of 64. So you answer this question as 75% of what is 48? 64 is our whole. 48 of 64 is 75%. Again, this is just like a test. You got 48 out of 64 questions correct. Your average will be a 75%. All right, you all have any questions? Don't again be afraid to post it into the commenting section. See you guys. Bye.